Welcome back to my channel. This is a really late Boxycharm unboxing. Yes? Are you here for the unboxing? Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Jacky, and today we have a very late Boxycharm unboxing because that's what we do here. Just kidding, we've been moving, so I had to wait for this to ship to us here instead of going to the other place, so I had to get it like rerouted, you know, and I completely lost the IPC for this month because somewhere in the rerouting of mail, it's gone. I also have an underwear subscription, that's also gone, so yay! Let's go in and open this up. I'm pretty excited. I have not seen anyone's Boxycharm unboxing, so this is a complete surprise to me still. I don't have any scissors to open this. Alrighty, let's open this boy up. Hello, Charmer. I don't know why I'm showing you that. Like, you've never seen a Boxycharm box before. What's that game show where they stand around with like suitcases like this? This is a Boxycharm Stellar. And what's stellar about it? Cooper, can you please not lick the maple white? Obviously, this is stuff that's inside of it, so I guess this month is stellar. This is actually really, really cute. I'm low-key gonna cut some of this up and tape it into my bujo, my bullet journal, because this is kind of really cute. Gonna do that. First thing in here, this does not look full size, so this must be like a extra. This better be like an extra. Where is it? What are you gonna tell me what this is? Oh, this is from Pretty Vulgar. This is the Undercover Lightweight Concealer. They do not have this listed on here, so this is just a bonus. Key benefits: long wearing, medium coverage, velvety soft texture, natural flawless finish, great for all skin types, vitamin infused moisturization. And then it's got a few different shades here. Although, as you guys know, if you watch me, I don't use too much concealer. I use concealer mainly for the primerization of the eyelids. Okay, let's go ahead and go into the box and pull out this, which is brushes. I love brushes. This seems to be the same brand. What? This is Boxycharm brand. What? Boxycharm got their own makeup brushes, and they look and feel, so if I were to just see the brush top, it would remind me of the oval ones with the like holder that's like this, and you rub it like this, so it's like angled like this, so it would be like this on this, like this. Interesting that it's shaped like so. It's like a marriage between that kind of a brush and a regular brush. What are these? These are the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. I mean, like, congrats, you guys got your own brushes, but what's going on with these brushes? Create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids. Powder brush, perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. We all know you use brushes for anything you want to use brushes for, but it's funny that they named it a powder brush and it's like, use liquids and creams on it. For mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free, and this is $35 for the two of them. That's real pricey. That's ambitious, Boxycharm. That's ambitious considering these bristles are not the right size. If you can see this, you probably can't. I'll probably have to zoom in after if I remember. These bristles are not the best. This one's actually okay. There's nothing too bad, nothing sticking out as much as this one. This one's kind of everywhere. Soft, very compact, very dense brush though. $35. Ooh, some lashes. These are Lily lashes. In 2013, Lily Galici, I'm so sorry. Can't pronounce anything. Revolutionized the world of false lashes by creating the first ever 3D lashes. Today, Lily Lashes offers the largest selection of handmade luxury lashes to cater to all eye shape, ethnicities, and level of drama. This is very, very close to the style that I would wear. Where are mine right now? The amount of lashes, the density of it, dramatic of it is pretty similar. The shape of it, these two are a little bit different. This is a lot heavier on the side than that one is. That was heavier in the middle, but I actually trim my lashes a lot. So I prefer the ones that do the middle because I actually cut them in half. So if they're symmetrical, I get 2 out of them instead of 1. That's actually what I have on my list right now. These were $25. I bought that pack of Allure for like $15 and there's 3 pairs. Again, I cut those in half so I get 6 pairs out of that. Yay. So those are kind of steep, but if you're looking at the value of lashes everywhere else, like the handcrafted ones, the fancy smancy ones, they're typically $20–25, so not far off. Next thing here. Ooh, so I just give myself a paper cut. This is Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Charm. Get it? Because Boxycharm. I don't think they did that on purpose, but it's kind of cute. Ooh, it is pretty. I want to wear this now. This was also from Boxycharm last month, I think. Let's throw this on. To be honest, I've never used a Dose of Color formula before. I do have lipstick on already, but we'll just top it. I don't like the cleanest lines when it comes to liquid lipsticks on my lip shape, so I'm just gonna roughen up the edges. Where's that makeup wipe my dog was licking? It's cute, right? It's very perfect for the fall. I really like it. Do like. Let's see how the formula and longevity of it goes. Formula is pretty nice, but again, I have a lipstick underneath and moisturizer under that, like a lip balm, so pretty moisturized right now. Next thing in here, this is kind of pretty. What is this? Oh, how much was the Dose of Colors? Dose of Colors, liquid lipstick, $18. And then let's go with this one. Oh, it's a matte finish, by the way. This is Quench and Glow from Cypress. Yes, Cypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum, and it's $90. This one item is $90. I'm pretty excited. I did just buy a bunch of expensive skincare. If you haven't seen that video, you can click right here to watch my boyfriend spend a lot of money on me. But no, wait, I don't know this. I do love a serum. I love serums, especially if it has antioxidants. I like more of a retinol serum. That's typically what I go for, like retinol or like hyaluronic acid. Why was I gonna say hydraulic? Like hydraulic press. I go for like a 1 ingredient type of serum, so I know exactly what I'm putting on my face, so it doesn't interfere with anything else also. But yes, I do love a serum. I love serums. Antioxidants, apparently, you don't really, do you have what you lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidant, amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. Hydrator. Interesting. Are you going to replace my moisturizer? Maybe in the daytime. Well, actually, now it's wintertime. I probably need moisturizer. Ignore this. This is from wing stick video. Really nourishing. It feels just a touch like oily, and I feel like that will hydrate you up right on up with a lightweight formula. It does feel a little bit tacky, just a little bit oily, but it does feel really lightweight. Like it doesn't feel like I have a bunch of stuff on my hand right now. Okay, $90. That's pretty exciting. Oh, this is the last thing. Yes, this is the last thing in here. And it's a palette. I almost said a powder. It's a palette! I love getting palettes. This is Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. I have never heard of Dominique Cosmetics. Have I? Have I gotten Dominique Cosmetics in Boxycharm? I'm not going to be surprised if I have, but I can't think of it right now. Celestial Thunder. This is a $35 palette. I have no idea what the inside's going to look like, but I like the packaging. It better have something to do with like this blue and red. Oh wait, have I seen Dominique Cosmetics before? I have. This completely reminds me of something. I've seen this before. It's got talc, so if you try to stay away from talc, this has talc in it. In the pressed pigment, it has talc. And then the eyeshadows, no talc. So let's see what Boxycharm says about it. An explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. I can definitely see that this is a pretty colorful palette. Let's do some swatches. As much as I want to swatch this right here first, we're going to go in order. So this is Eternal Light. That's actually a lot more buttery than I expected it to be. That'll probably be because of the talc. We're gonna put it on the hairy side of my arm just cause. Can you see that? Should we do it on the hand? There's 8. I don't think 8's gonna fit on my hand. We'll try. That right there is Eternal Light. Ooh, Fireball looks real pretty. This is Fireball. Oh yes, that's really pretty. It's like a red orange. It actually looks really, really orange now when the light hits it, but then otherwise it looks like a red. This is Black Matter right over here, which is like a dark purple. Pretty. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. Zero Gravity, first matte shade. Let's see how that goes. It's like this taupe shade right here. A little bit patchy, but that may be because I ran into my bone right here. In the bottom row, the pink Lucid Dream, extremely buttery matte shade. Again, it was a little patchy, but let's double on up over it. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Storm Dust is like my type of color, that like dark terracotta shade. Oops, that was a horrible swatch. Do you see what I did? This one's a little patchy. This one's a little patchy. Yes, it is. Lunar Eclipse, that lighter terracotta shade. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. And then Mystic Ice is this really pretty turquoise color right over here. We got all 8 shades on my hand. That's pretty impressive. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Clean up my fingers before I get this all over the place. All right, look at that. So you've really only got like one super glimmery shade, which is this one, probably the pressed pigment. And then these shades are that like shimmery shade. And then everything else is matte. So there are 5 mattes and 3 shimmers, one more so than the others. These 2 are definitely my favorite, absolutely my favorite. All right. Total price of this box was a whopping $203. I think that's the most expensive box I've ever gotten, and I've had it for almost 2 whole years now. So that is insane. Now to wrap it on up like we do here on my channel, from most excited to least excited to use the products. I am most excited, and this is going to surprise maybe not you if you don't know me. If you don't subscribe, stick around. If you do know me, or as I know myself, I am putting something above the palette. I'm almost always most excited about the palette, but today I'm most excited about this right here. I don't know why I've been on a skin craze lately. As I said, we just spent a fuckload of money on skincare. We spent about $600 on TATCHA. This is pretty exciting. I do need another serum, so getting a full-size serum is pretty exciting. This is actually 1.59 fluid ounces, which is a bit more than, not a bit more, actually a ton more than a regular serum size. Normally you get 1 fluid ounce for a serum, so that's pretty exciting. Next thing isn't as surprising. It is the palette. I do really like these 2 shades right here. I always gravitate towards orange for some reason. Like shimmery oranges just look so good all over the lid with some other stuff, you know, in the crease. I do really like that look. And then this Black Matter shade is just so pretty because it's black with purple shimmer, so it's just beautiful. I actually have my next excited item in here, which is this right here. I love to get brushes in subscriptions. I don't really like to pay for washes. I do have a lot of brushes that I've bought on my own, but I just am lazy and picky about brushes. So when I get brushes sent to me, I just like it a lot better. It feels like a service, you know, like I didn't have to go and pick something. Like I got these and I can almost always make brushes work. So, you know, I don't need to go and pick and choose and read and do this and that about brushes. It just comes to my doorstep and I'll somehow find a way to use them. That was a close call though, because I almost put this ahead of the brushes, but I do really like brushes. I love the color of this on my lips right now. There's like a mirror over there, like a full body mirror, and I'm really liking the way it looks. Maybe because I'm also wearing this and it kind of like brings me like fall vibes. Like this color just always reminds me of fall. So I do really like it. It's also season appropriate. Sometimes they send you like lip glosses or lipsticks that just aren't on season, so it's weird. What's the last thing in here? The brushes. This is actually a great box. I liked all of this. This is great also. I mean, it's $25, so I wouldn't buy it on my own because they look like eyeliner ones, maybe in a different style, but I could buy this for a lot cheaper. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this box. This was great. This was a great $203 box. There's nothing I didn't like. I hope you liked your box as much as I did this month. If you don't purchase the box, then I hope you enjoyed watching my box. I'm so nervous that I'm getting eyeshadow everywhere, so I'm gonna end this video.
I keep losing to a moment where I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV.